Do you want to dominate your niche in 2024? You're in the right place. Did you know that 90% of startups fail? Or that 75% of people judge a brand based on its website design? Shocking, right? In a world where attention spans are shorter than ever, standing out is crucial. But how do you do that? It's all about strong brand positioning. This isn't just about having a good product. It's about making sure your brand is the first thing people think of when they need something in your niche. Over the next few chapters, we'll dive into some powerful strategies. From discovering what makes your brand unique to leveraging the latest tech trends, we've got you covered. We'll explore how to create compelling stories, design a visual identity that sticks, and use data to your advantage. Ready to get started? Let's jump into the first step, unlocking the niche code. This is where your journey to market domination begins. Buckle up, it's going to be an exciting ride. 1. Unlocking the niche code, identifying your unique value. Understanding what makes your brand unique is the first step to success. Start by looking at your competitors. What are they missing? According to a recent study, 76% of consumers expect brands to understand their needs and expectations. Yet, many brands miss the mark. Use market research tools like Google Trends or BuzzSumo to see what topics are trending in your industry. You can also survey your current customers. Ask them what they love about your product and what they wish could be better. This feedback is gold. Once you gather this data, look for patterns. Maybe your product is faster or more durable than the competition. Maybe your customer service is exceptional. Highlight these strengths in your marketing messages. Remember, your unique value should be clear and specific. Instead of saying, "We have great customer service," say, "Our 24/7 live chat support resolves issues in under 5 minutes." Specifics build trust and attract the right audience. A great example is Dollar Shave Club. They disrupted the shaving industry by offering a subscription model that was affordable and convenient. Their unique value was clear and it resonated with their target audience. 2. Future-proof strategies, anticipating 2024 trends. The market is always changing. To stay ahead, you need to anticipate trends. One way to do this is by using predictive analytics. Tools like IBM Watson can analyze vast amounts of data to predict future trends. According to a study by Forrester, companies using predictive analytics are 2.9 times more likely to report revenue growth. Look at emerging technologies in your industry. For instance, AI and machine learning are transforming many sectors. Think about how you can integrate these technologies into your business. Another trend is sustainability. A Nielsen report found that 81% of global consumers feel strongly that companies should help improve the environment. Consider how your brand can be more eco-friendly. Stay flexible and ready to adapt. The companies that thrive are those that can pivot quickly when the market changes. Netflix is a prime example. They started as a DVD rental service but pivoted to streaming as the market evolved. 3. Persona power, crafting magnetic customer profiles. Knowing your customer is key to effective marketing. Create detailed customer personas to guide your brand positioning. According to HubSpot, personas can make websites 2-5 times more effective and easier to use. Start by gathering data on your current customers. Look at demographics like age, gender, and location. Then, dive deeper. What are their interests? What problems are they trying to solve? Use tools like Facebook Audience Insights or Google Analytics to get this information. You can also conduct interviews or send out surveys. The more detailed your personas, the better. Give each persona a name and a backstory. This makes them feel real and helps your team understand who they're targeting. For example, Sarah, the busy mum who needs quick, healthy meal options, or Jake, the tech-savvy millennial looking for the latest gadgets. Tailor your marketing messages to each persona. Speak directly to their needs and desires. For instance, if you're targeting Sarah, emphasize convenience and health benefits in your messaging. Personas help you create more personalized and effective marketing campaigns. They ensure you're speaking to the right people in the right way. By focusing on these first 3 steps, you're setting a strong foundation for dominating your niche in 2024. Identify your unique value, anticipate future trends, and understand your customers deeply. Stay tuned for the next steps to continue your journey to market domination. 4. Brand storytelling 2.0, engaging narratives for the digital age. Storytelling is a powerful tool. People remember stories more than facts. According to a study by Stanford University, stories are 22 times more memorable than facts alone. Your brand needs a compelling story to connect with your audience. Start by defining your brand's mission and values. What do you stand for? Why did you start this business? Share the journey, the challenges, and the triumphs. Authenticity is key. People can tell when you're being genuine. Use various platforms to tell your story. Blogs, social media, and videos are great ways to reach different audiences. Videos, in particular, are highly effective. HubSpot reports that 54% of consumers want to see more video content from brands they support. Consider live streaming to engage with your audience in real time. This builds a sense of community and trust. Share behind-the-scenes looks, Q&A sessions, or product launches. The more transparent you are, the more connected your audience will feel. Nike's "Just Do It" campaign is a classic example. It's not just about shoes, it's about perseverance and determination. Their story inspires millions and makes their brand unforgettable. 5. Visual velocity, designing an unforgettable brand identity. A strong visual identity sets you apart from the competition. It's the first thing people notice about your brand. Your logo, colors, and design elements should be consistent and memorable. According to the Design Management Institute, design-driven companies outperform the S&P 500 by 219%. Start with a logo that reflects your brand's personality. Keep it simple but unique. Think of logos like Apple or McDonald's, instantly recognizable and associated with their brands. Choose a color palette that resonates with your target audience. Colors evoke emotions. For example, blue is often associated with trust and professionalism, while red can evoke excitement and urgency. A study by the University of Loyola found that color increases brand recognition by up to 80%. Typography is another crucial element. Your font should be easy to read and match your brand's tone. Whether it's bold and modern or classic and elegant, consistency is key. Consistency extends beyond your website. Your social media profiles, packaging, and even email signatures should all align with your brand identity. This creates a cohesive and professional look. A great example is Coca-Cola. Their iconic red and white design is consistent across all platforms, making their brand instantly recognizable worldwide. 6. Content alchemy, transforming ideas into gold. Content is king. It's not just about quantity but quality. Creating valuable and engaging content positions you as an authority in your niche. According to Demand Metric, content marketing costs 62% less than traditional marketing and generates about 3 times as many leads. Start with a content strategy. Identify the topics that interest your audience. Use tools like Answer the Public or SEMrush to find popular keywords and questions in your industry. These insights help you create content that addresses your audience's needs. Diversify your content. Blogs, videos, podcasts, and infographics all serve different purposes and reach various segments of your audience. For instance, HubSpot notes that video marketers get 66% more qualified leads per year. User-generated content is another powerful tool. Encourage your customers to share their experiences with your product. This not only builds community but also acts as social proof. According to a Nielsen survey, 92% of consumers trust user-generated content more than traditional advertising. Repurpose your content to maximize its value. Turn a blog post into a video or an infographic into a social media post. This ensures your content reaches as many people as possible. A successful example is GoPro. They leverage user-generated content brilliantly, showcasing videos filmed by their customers. This not only provides authentic content but also highlights their product's capabilities. By mastering these steps, you're well on your way to dominating your niche with strong brand positioning in 2024. Stay tuned for the final steps to complete your journey to market dominance. 7. Influence insiders, partnering with micro-influencers. Micro-influencers can be a game changer for your brand. Unlike celebrities, micro-influencers have smaller, but highly engaged audiences. According to a study by Experticity, micro-influencers have 22.2 times more conversations than the average consumer about recommendations. Start by identifying influencers who align with your brand values. Tools like BuzzSumo and Hype Auditor can help you find relevant influencers in your niche. Look for those with followers between 1,000 and 100,000. This range is considered ideal for high engagement rates. Reach out with a personalized message. Show them you've done your homework and explain why a partnership would be mutually beneficial. Offer something of value, like free products or exclusive access, in exchange for their endorsement. Monitor the results of your campaigns. Use tracking tools to measure engagement, reach, and conversions. This data will help you refine your strategy and maximize ROI. A great example is Daniel Wellington. They built their watch brand almost entirely through micro-influencer partnerships, leading to significant growth and brand awareness. 8. Interactive engagement, creating immersive customer experiences. Customer engagement is crucial for brand loyalty. Interactive content boosts engagement and creates memorable experiences. According to Content Marketing Institute, interactive content generates twice as many conversions as passive content. Start with quizzes and polls. These are simple yet effective ways to engage your audience. Tools like Typeform and SurveyMonkey make it easy to create engaging quizzes that can provide valuable insights into your customers' preferences. Augmented reality, AR, is another powerful tool. Brands like IKEA use AR to let customers visualize products in their homes before making a purchase. According to a study by Retail Perceptions, 71% of shoppers would shop more often if they used AR. Live streaming is also a great way to engage with your audience in real time. Host Q&A sessions, product launches, or behind-the-scenes tours. This not only humanizes your brand but also builds a sense of community. Encourage user-generated content. Run contests or campaigns where customers share their experiences with your product. This not only provides authentic content but also acts as social proof. According to a survey by Turn2, 90% of consumers say user-generated content influences their purchasing decisions. A great example is the Starbucks White Cup contest, where customers were encouraged to decorate their Starbucks cups and share photos on social media. This campaign generated massive engagement and brand loyalty. 9. Data-driven domination, leveraging analytics for precision marketing. Data is the backbone of modern marketing. It helps you make informed decisions and optimize your strategies. According to a report by McKinsey, data-driven organizations are 23 times more likely to acquire customers. Start by setting clear goals and KPIs. What do you want to achieve? More sales, higher engagement, or better customer retention? Define your metrics and use tools like Google Analytics, SEMrush, and HubSpot to track performance. Analyze your data regularly. Look for patterns and trends. What content performs best? Which campaigns drive the most conversions? Use these insights to refine your strategies. Segment your audience based on behavior, preferences, and demographics. Personalized marketing campaigns have higher engagement rates. According to Epsilon, 80% of consumers are more likely to make a purchase when brands offer personalized experiences. A/B testing is crucial. Test different versions of your content, emails, and ads to see what works best. This helps you optimize your campaigns and improve ROI. Use predictive analytics to anticipate future trends and behaviors. Tools like IBM Watson and Salesforce Einstein can help you leverage big data to make accurate predictions. According to a study by Aberdeen Group, companies using predictive analytics increase their organic revenue by 21% year-over-year. A successful example is Amazon. They use data-driven insights to recommend products, optimize pricing, and personalize the shopping experience, leading to increased sales and customer loyalty. By implementing these steps, you're well on your way to dominating your niche with strong brand positioning in 2024. Remember, staying ahead of the competition requires continuous learning and adaptation. Keep refining your strategies and stay tuned for more insights to complete your journey to market dominance.